Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show how to make chunky kitty ball. We start. We need yarn Premier Perfect Chunky. It's bubblegum color and just a little bit white. We also need the hook 5 millimeters, scissors, safety eyes. I have different colors. It's 16 millimeters, safety plastic nose 11 millimeters, or you can use just piece of yarn if you don't have it, some markers, and we will need the plastic needle and some stuffing inside. Row number 1, magic ring of 6. Row number 2, we make increasing. We repeat it 6 times and we have 12 stitches in this row. Row number 3, we make 1 single crochet increasing. We repeat it 6 times. We have 18 stitches in this row. Row number 4, we make 2 single crochet increasing. We repeat it 6 times. We have 24 stitches in this row. Row number 5, we make 3 single crochet increasing and we repeat it 6 times. We have 30 stitches in this row. Row number 6, we start with 2 single crochet, then we make increasing 4 single crochet and we repeat it 5 times, then we make increasing and then we have 2 single crochet at the end. We have 36 stitches in this row. Rows number 7, 8, 9 and 10, we make 36 single crochet in each row. We finished 4 rows. Now we start row number 11. We make decreasing 4 single crochet, we repeat it twice Then we make decreasing, 1 single crochet, pop stitch, 1 single crochet, pop stitch, then decreasing, 4 single crochet, and we repeat it 3 times at the end. Now we make decreasing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we make decreasing. We make 1 single crochet, and we are going to make our pop stitch. And we need to make pop stitch in white color. So we take white yarn, we put it on the hook, then we insert the hook inside and grab white yarn again from the other side. We need to repeat it 4 times. Then we use pink yarn to crochet all those loops, because we need only the pop stitch to be in white color, all the rest we need in pink. Now we make 1 more single crochet, and we do 1 more pop stitch the same time we did before. These pop stitch are going to be the cheeks of our cat, so there is no need to add it after, since we crocheted it in now. Now we make decreasing, then 4 single crochet, and we repeat it the same way until the end of this row. Once we have the cheeks, that's how it's going to look, we can add eyes and the nose. I leave 3 stitches between the eyes, and eyes I insert on the between rows number 8 and 9 and 3 stitches apart. Nose is insert right between the cheeks that we crocheted. Row number 12, we make 3 single crochet, decreasing, we repeat it 6 times. We have 24 stitches in this row. Row number 13, we make 2 single crochet, decreasing, we repeat it 6 times. We have 18 stitches at the end of the row. Row number 14, 1 single crochet, decreasing, we repeat it 6 times. We have 12 stitches in this row. Row number 15, and this is the last row, we make decreasing 6 times. We have 6 stitches at the end of this row. Now we finished the ball, so we need to cut the yarn and with the help of the plastic needle to fasten off the 6 stitches that we are left with. Now we need to make ears. Row number 1, we make magic ring of 4 stitches. Row number 2, we make increasing and we repeat it 4 times. So we have 8 stitches in this row. Row number 3, we make increasing 3 single crochet and we repeat it twice. We have 10 stitches in this row. Row number 4, we make increasing 4 single crochet and we repeat it twice. We have 12 stitches in this row. Now we finish with the ear and we need to leave a longer yarn so we can use it for sewing later. And we need 2 same pieces. Now with plastic needle we sew ears to the head. I leave 10 rows from the center, from each side. We have 2 ears, and now I want to add whiskers. I make 3 lines. You can make more if you wish. And also I am going to add like some it's more like shine to eyes rather than eyebrow, just to make the eyes more attractive. Now we are finished and our kitty ball is ready. You can use it as just a toy to play with, or like relaxation toy to squeeze it, or it can be a nice charm for the bag or for the backpack. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to see new videos from me, and give me likes if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching my video. Handmade with love and care from Crochet UA.